Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Eddie Martinez. I am the founder and owner of Royal Love Co. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the third soap of this collection, Nature. This soap is inspired of the third chakra stone, the golden tiger eyes. It is beautiful. The fragrance, it is amazing. It is so sweet. You guys are going to love it. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up and your comment. And now, let's start with the video. So we're gonna do now the third chakra stone. The name of this stone, it is the solar plexus chakra. The name of the stone is golden tiger eyes. You guys can see here. The location for this, where you're gonna put this stone in your body, is in the center of your stomach. The healing qualities of this stone are personal power, protection, ambition, intellect, compassion, and responsibilities. And if you want to place this stone around your house, you can place this stone like a laundry room, bathroom, pool, anywhere where water is always present. This is the beautiful stone. Look at this. And now we're gonna start making the soap. For this soap, the color that we're gonna use are finger, gold finger from my Micas. This one that I never used before, called Sexy Stranger on a Train. We're gonna add some titanium dioxide. And the fragrance that we're gonna use is cotton candy. It is smell amazing. It is so sweet, so soft. Anybody will love this fragrance. So we're gonna use this one. The first thing you're going to do, we're going to mix now the Lye Water with the oils. And we're going to mix this for a few seconds. Let me close this. And now we're going to mix for a few seconds. Okay, now we're going to separate this in two small containers for the other colors. Okay. Let me mix this very well. Okay. Now we're going to add the first color. This one is going to be the primary color, the base color of the soap. Gold in here. A lot of gold. This one, just a little bit of this one. Then it's here. And the white, this time the white is gonna go here. Where it's supposed to be. And now we're gonna mix from the lighter color to the dark color. Okay. Y es rapidito porque esto está. This is. Oh. Hold on. Oh, we forgot the fragrance. Okay, now I'm not gonna mix that one with this because it's getting hard already. this one. Now let's clean this. Let me just mix everything by hand. We have some butter around the container. Okay. And now we're gonna add this one, this side. It didn't get too white, but that's okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me clean it up. And the gold, we have to mix the gold by hand because it's getting. Let's mix. I'm mixing the gold, the fragrance by hand. Este inglés mío es malo. But it is what it is. This is much better que el otro, but okay. Now we're gonna add it here. Oh yeah. El color está más lindo así. Qué rico. It smells so good. It smells so sweet. It smells amazing. Now we're gonna add this into the mold. Look at that color. Look at that gold. Okay. It smells so good. And now we're gonna tap it a little bit, but we count with precaution because it is really full. With a ruler, I'm gonna mark every soap is an inch, so we have to put it here. So we're gonna go. I already did one. This one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now this side again. Oh, this one had a mark. I can see it now. Okay, now what I like to do is just me. I just go like this, make it a little bit flat, and then we're gonna put the stone on top of the soap. Don't worry about the color because when the soap dry, the color will change to a little bit darker, and when I cut the soap, you're gonna see all the line. So mira esta que linda. Look at this one. Mira esta. Look at this stone, is beautiful. Let me put it here. Every soap we're gonna have one stone, and then I'm gonna be doing other soap just for men or for women. So it's gonna be a total of maybe around 12 soap. 12 soap, 12 design only, but because I'm gonna doing a video in English and Spanish, it's gonna be around 240 soap. Okay, now alcohol, and we're done. Look at this, beautiful. So we're back after 48 hours. I have to let this soap to cure, to get hard for 48 hours. Look at this. Now let's take it out of the mold and let's see the inside. That's the exciting part about doing this kind of soap. So let's take it from the size. Now let's mold it. Oh my god, this fragrance smells amazing, guys. You're gonna love this fragrance. Let's put it here. The fragrance, I want to tell you, is cotton candy, and it smells like pure cotton candy. So now is the moment. Let me just move it around here. Now the reveal. Let's cut the first one, and let's see the inside. Ah, look at that! Look at that! Look at the stone. I really like it. It did the job. Yeah. It did the job. Let's do the other one. And this when we get hard, look at that. The color will change a little bit. Look at this, the square, the color, and look at the stone. I don't know if you can see it. It is amazing, really, and the smell is just unbelievable. You guys are gonna love this soap. And of course, the benefit of my formula to your skin are amazing. Look at this. Look at that. It is perfect. Like, look at that. And look at this. This is the design of the stone and all the line of the color. I'm really happy. I'm really happy about this. All my soap all the color of the soap are coming out perfectly. Look at that.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. Get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air, standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us.
Thank you guys to get to the end of this video. Here is the soul, one of the soul. Look at that beautiful stone. Remember, this one is the third stone of the chakra called gold Tiger Eye. I always forget the name, I'm sorry. It is amazing, the fragrance, it is so sweet. Oh my god, you guys are gonna love this soap. So if you like it, it's gonna be available on September 29th at www.freedomco5.com. Thank you so much for your support. Subscribe to my channel, help me to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. Share this video, leave your thumbs up and your comment down. And thank you so much, guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.